What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're about to calculate the volume of this prism below. Looks like a block of cheese or something like that, right? Now, the volume formula for a prism is actually pretty straightforward. It's just the area of the base, big B, multiplied by my height. But the trick often is like, well, which one's which? What is my base? What's my height here? So I'm going to clue you in, right? I'm gonna help you out, okay? For my bases, they have to be two of the same. If it's a prism, okay, two of the exact same shape, they're going to be parallel to each other. Okay, it's not always going to be a rectangle. It's not always going to be a triangle. It's not always going to be a pentagon. All right. So right now I have this triangle up here and that triangle up there, two of the exact same shape. They're parallel to each other. My three rectangles that I have here are all different dimensions. So those are not going to be my bases. The triangles are going to be my bases. So this is a triangular prism. Okay, so how do I find the area of a triangle? That's how I get my big B. Well, it's 1/2 base times height, little b times little h. Well, what are my dimensions here of this triangle? I've got 10 for this guy here, which is 10 for this one right here. This guy's 8. I've got a right angle right there. So I've got an 8, I've got a 10 of a right triangle. The hypotenuse is 10. One of my legs is 8, so I'm missing the other leg. Now I can either use Pythagorean theorem, write it out, or if I'm familiar with my triples, which I know and love my triples, bro. This is a 3, 4, 5 triangle that's been multiplied by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10, right? So this is going to be a 6 centimeter side length right here. Dang, I got my dimensions now. So the area of this triangle, the area of my triangle, which is my big B, that's 1/2 times base times height. They just need to be perpendicular to each other when it's a triangle. So 6 and 8 are the two that I'm going to use there. So that's going to be 48 times 1/2 is going to be 24 centimeters squared for my big B. So I got volume equals 24 times, now what's my height going to be? Well, my height is the distance between those two bases, which is 4. What's 24 times 4? That's going to be 96 centimeters. Now I'm in volume. We got units cubed. Volume, 96 centimeters cubed. Dang. That's pretty awesome. That's a wonderful little block of cheese that we got there, which is 96 centimeters cubed, if you wanted to know. Deuces.